Good evening.
Please have some words for the Mizora, Shabana ji, what you would like to say, and Manish also.
Shabana ji, I think, is an inspiration to all of us. She's been working so hard at Mizwan for so many years, and unfortunately, I've never had a chance to come and support her. This is my first time at her annual show, and I give her all my best wishes, and I really hope for Mizwan to go from strength to strength.
Kiran, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka will be walking the ramp.
Oh, wow.
It's really exciting. What are your views?
I didn't know that. I'm super excited. I was already excited. Now I'm really looking forward to seeing them.
Let me ask you about Karan. Karan is now a father, a parent. Karan,
I have no idea. I had no idea.
Is blessed with two twins.
ये कब की न्यूज़ है अभी?
7 फरवरी को हुआ.
Oh, I'm delighted. I mean, what can I say? I need to go and make a call.
Baby boy and a baby girl born on 7th of Feb. The news
Wow.
broke out yesterday 12:20.
Wonderful. What can I say? I mean, that's just wonderful. He deserves every happiness. He deserves every happiness that life can give him. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear this news. Thank you for the news. Thank you to the media for the news. सही में मुझे नहीं मालूम था. I had no idea. I live under a rock. मैं फ़ोन अपना उठाती नहीं हूँ. I'm not on social media. और मुझे actually किसी ने नहीं बताया.
अच्छा, आमिर भी नहीं है.
नहीं, आमिर ने बताया नहीं. I have not seen him actually all day, but anyway.
Let me ask
Thank you.
My colleague wants to ask you about the Women's Day.
जी.
It's on 8th of March, and the cause is also related. So, would you like to share any message for Women's Day?
Well, as it's been said many times before, need to do a lot of work for women to be given their, I think, rightful place in every walk of life. We do our bit in our filmmaking, and I think everyone must. And I'm happy that we've set aside a day to celebrate women, but we have to make it a daily celebration.
Thank you,
Thank
Kiran. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you. Hi. Above? I'm very proud that I'm associated with this cause. जहाँ काफ़ी औरतों को उन्हें काम मिला और they have a voice now, they're empowered. और I just feel proud that I'm associated with something so beautiful and a charity which I'm extremely I can relate to and I'm very, very proud of. And I would like to thank Manish for inviting me here. I love whatever he does, and this is a beautiful cause he's part of. And Shabana ma'am, she's a wonderfwonderful actor. I've grown up watching her work, but I think knowing that whatever she's doing, I love her a lot more. Because she's taking that extra step to help this cause. And I have a newfound respect for them now. Thank you. I think Women's Day should be every day. We need to celebrate us every day. And I think we're beautiful. We all are unique. And a woman today is not just a mother, but she's also she's everything. She's working. She's taking care of kids. She's a daughter. She's a sister. She's a very important part of society, and she's doing pretty much everything. And it takes a lot of strength to do that. So that I think we need to celebrate that strength every day.
Good evening. Yes. Sorry. Yes. जी सबसे पहले रिजवान के बारे में एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, वेबसाइट है, इट्स वेरी इजी, यू कैन डोनेट ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड आई विल कंट्रीब्यूट विथ माय बिट एंड आई होप दैट पीपल टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड एंड कंट्रीब्यूट विथ देयर बिट बिकॉज it's a great cause, definitely. Big fan of Shah Rukh sir, so definitely waiting to see him. Yes. I'm waiting for my next film too. I'm going to start shooting now. I think there's only 20 days left. Been rehearsing all day, all night, so I'm a bit tired right now. But I think 20 days I'll be on floor with my film, and then I think you should expect it by the end of this year. Thanks. Yes. Right.
My colleague wants to ask you about for the Women's Day, which is on the 8th of March.
What is it? Women's Day. Yes. नहीं इनकी आ रही है आवाज़. Well, Women's Day, I don't know what I want to say. Women are amazing. I would like to take my mother out for a dinner. I haven't taken her out for a very long time, and hopefully I can pay for it this year. So I'll take my mom out for dinner. That's all I can say right now.
You know, I have to say that I'm always so consistently proud of, the work that Shabana is doing. She is an inspiration to us all. And particularly what Shabana, Manish and Namrata are doing, it's wonderful because they're working towards, the education and the employment of women. So I think that Mijwan Welfare Society is doing a wonderful job.
Manish Manokar's collection will be there. Are you excited? What are your expectations? Shah Rukh Khan and Mr. Anushka Sharma will be walking the red.
Yeah. No, I'm really looking forward to watching Shah Rukh and Anushka. What fun. And I'm sure Manish has done a wonderful and ethereal job of, I think they brought the chicken curry work to the forefront as far as I know. So I'm looking forward to watching it.
Kangana, we have been listening about your film, Lipstick Under the Hookah. What you have to say about it? Have you watched it till now? Would you like to say something about it?
No, I just want to say that it's very important for women to tell women's stories, and I think Alankita Srivastava has done a wonderful job in Lipstick Under My Burqa. And I think that, I'm really fed up of the fact that these kind of films are, banned, and so many other kinds of films are not. No films should be banned at all. I think the CBFC should just give a certificate. And I think that we should watch all kinds of films. It's important that we watch films where women talk about themselves.
Kangana, but do you not think this is very discouraging on part of being an actor, creative person, or a filmmaker? Does these things still happen?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. On top of, and the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that people in India can't. We'll see what the tribunal has to say. But people in India should have a right, to choose for themselves whether they want to watch the film or not.
What do you think is the possible solution like we can come up as a part of industry?
No, I don't have any solutions, I'm sorry to say.
Any steps as part of the film and
I think, the Charm Benegal had a committee and, they are working towards it, and I think that the guidelines need to be revised and re-examined, and there should be people accountable, who can do that job. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Well, I think it's a wonderful cause, and Shabana ji called me and she said I had to be here, and I always have supported Mijwa, and I think it's a great initiative, and I think it's something that can be applied to any village across the country, and I think it's lovely how Manish, everyone's come together to sort of give it a platform to talk about some very real issues that our country is suffering from.
Well, I'm very excited. They both are my favorites, and I think it's going to be a night with a lot of glamour, a lot of style, with a good cause at the root of it. Yes. I know I wasn't here for the press conference. I was traveling. I was promoting my other film, so I was in the UK promoting that. Hi. Any message for Women's Day? Well, I would just like to say that every day is Women's Day, and there's not one specific day that we should celebrate and commemorate all the women around us. And I think if we just acknowledge the presence of what women are doing around us every single day, we should just.
At the same time, we are also very eager for your international project.
Yes.
We have heard. Very excited for it.
I am very excited for it, and in fact 3rd March को film UK में release हुई है. Inshallah we'll release the film here in August, which is closer to the 70 years of India's independence and partition. And we all thought it's the right time for a film like this, which is about partition, which is about human values, which is about the need to sort of look at love and humanity and not divide people on religious grounds. I think a film like that is the right time to release would be August in India.
Can you just highlight your character in it?
This is not the right platform to talk about Viceroy's house, but I'm playing a Muslim translator to Lord Mountbatten. I think we will talk about it when the time is right. Yes. Well, lots of compliments. I think I'm very fortunate. I'm very glad I got to be a part of this beautiful film called Jolly LLB 2. And I'm really happy that not just critics, but I think people in general have enjoyed the film. I've got a lot of compliments about playing Pushpa, because Pushpa Pandey is this little unusual housewife. One has not seen a housewife like this before. Jo, matlab, she likes to have a little drink. So her husband makes a drink for her, he presses her feet, he sort of... so it's a very unusual dynamic that both of them have. And now that the film is out, I can talk about it. It's also this one time where he's sort of lost hope and he's sort of hit by, these goons. And she rises and she, in a way, fights these guys in her own housewifey way, and she sort of manages to, save him. And I think it's important to write strong characters for women. I have never cared about screen time, because I don't think good acting or bad acting is defined by how many number of minutes you are on screen. It's about what you end up doing. So I've got some very good feedback on playing Pushpa Pandey, and I'm very happy and very grateful for it. All right, thank you very much. I'm busy shooting right now for my film Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. We've got a few days left. We just finished the second schedule, so we've got a little more left and then we're done. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's a nice initiative. It's Shabana ji, Manish Malhotra sir and सब लोग का जो मिलके मिज़वान के लिए जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, women empowerment में जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, which is it's like a great initiative, and I'm really glad that I could make it. जी, अरे मनीष सर उनका अटायर हमेशा से काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है, and he is the best, and I'm really grateful कि मैं उनके मैं उनके अटायर में हूँ और हो सकता हूँ. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी, एंड ये हमेशा ऐसे चलता रहे. सो या फॉर विमेंस डे. हाँ जी, एनी मैसेज फॉर विमेंस डे. आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छे ओकेजन में आपने पूछा है कि मेज़बान में हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं सब लोग, एंड विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल इक्वल्स, एंड हम लोग कभी भी अपने आप को, विमेन को मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अपने आप को कभी भी मर्दों से कम ना सोचें. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच आई वुड से, एंड हैप्पी विमेंस डे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
के लिए काफ़ी मैंने वॉक्स किए हैं, और जानता हूँ कि क्या होता है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, कहाँ से वो करीबन 40 स्त्रियों के साथ शुरू हुआ था और आज हमारे पास ऐसी दे हैव अबाउट 300 women who are working for Mejwan. So it's a great initiative and the cause is very pure, the intentions are very pure and the people who are working with pure hard work. So it's always great.